Welcome in this video, and in this one I'm going to show you how to download a video from Instagram and then repost it in your own profile. And before I go into it, the only application that you have to have for this to work is this one that is called Video Downloader. This one. And if you have this one, actually you can go to Google Play Store and download this one, and then you can do what I'm about to show you. So let's say you go here to the search bar and you find a video like this, an interesting one, very beautiful. So what you will do after that is go to these three little dots on the top here, press copy link, and then go to this video downloader, and then you go here to this this pink circle, and you press repost. Here you have two options. You can put it either in your feed or in your stories. You can actually put it in your stories, but now we're gonna show you how to put it in your feed. Then you go to, let me just do this, and then you go to this arrow that shows to the right. You press this. You can actually choose the filters here. You can choose the cover also, as you can see here. You can put whatever you want. Let's say this one, and then you press next. And here you have to write a caption, and all of the data and the information on how to write a caption is in a video that you probably already seen it or saw it. And the video is called How to Make a Post on Instagram. So you just go in that video, you get on all of the information on how to write a very good caption, and then you press share, and the video is uploaded in your profile. So basically this is it for this video, and put it into application, and I will see you in the next one.